feels good, man. Should I be able to bend? Okay, I want to see how I bend when I get up today. I want to see.
Yeah, we'll retest it.
You're going to retest at the end? Okay.
Yes, sir. All right, man.
So what do you want me to do?
Just relax.
Okay.
I'm going to bend the head here.
Bruh, dog. Bruh, oh my God, I thought you killed me, dog. Oh, man. Oh, bruh. Oh, wee.
Oh, man.
Oh, that felt, come on. If it's gonna feel that good on the other side, come on. That just scared me, man.
Oh, man.
That scared me. Ooh, wee. He don't even tell you what we doing. He just go on in. Okay. Okay.
Oh, man.
All right.
Try to relax here.
Woo!
Rejuvenated.
Why am I tasting something in my mouth? Why am I tasting something in my mouth? What is that?
It's life.
Wow. Okay.
Nice.
That's different. Wow.
Just relax. This can go right over the ears there. I'm going to do a stretch here first, all right? Any pain with that? Feels pretty good. Do a couple more stretches here.
Oh. I can fucking breathe. Oh my God. Oh my God, bruh. Oh my God. You got to be crapping me now. Come on, man. You got to be crapping me. Oh, we doing that all the time from here on out. I don't give a damn. I don't need it. We just doing it. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Oh. Oh.
Pick the head up real quick.
Yeah, we can. I'm good. Yeah. 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 Okay. What you want me to do now, buddy?
All right,
I'm in your hands.
almost done. We're gonna do the ankles.
Oh, this guy. You didn't say he was gonna do that. This guy. Wow, man. This guy. So damn good, bro. I can't do no. Go ahead, keep doing what you doing, man. I'm just laughing. That stuff feel good, buddy. Ooh, wee. Ooh. Oh. This guy. Oh.
Nice.
Oh. Ooh. I'm in this mug. It's good. I want to sing. Go ahead, Doc. Where we at next, buddy?
We got one more.
Yeah, where we at?
Alright. I'm gonna hook my arm through here. What I want you to do, I'll tell you when. You're just gonna pull the elbow back.
Okay, pull my elbow back, just like that.
Yes,
right?
sir. I'll tell you when though. Okay.
Okay.
All right, go and pull back. Harder, harder. Little baby one there.
Ooh. That's good. What are you doing? You resetting my shoulder?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Come on. Okay.
Let me see the hand here. Try to relax. Good. After this, we'll be done, right?
Ooh.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do on the other side.
That's. All right.
You all right?
Yeah. Bruh. I couldn't do that.
You're doing good.
Let me go, bro. I'll play whatever you want me to play, dog. I'm